Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Dancing with the Stranger and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So this is an easy song to play. The chords and the strumming is basically the same throughout the entire song. So let's start off with learning the chords. So the first chord is a C sharp major 7 to an F minor. You can also play it like this because it's easier for the next chord, which is A flat, basically taking off your pinky. So C sharp major 7, F minor, and A flat. So let me show you guys an example of the strum pattern, and then I'll teach you guys right after. So the strum pattern that I use for this song is going to be a down, up, 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 down. So for the first chord, C sharp major 7, I'm going to be doing that strum pattern twice, then the F minor once, and then the A flat once. So I'll play it slowly so you guys can play along with me. Play it 2 more times. Alright, so lastly, I'll have the lyrics of the chorus and the chords on the screen. You guys can follow along. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.